So now what we have done is we have added uh, the SEO properties to optimize uh, all of our sites. So whatever the sites we are designing, so all of our sites would have SEO optimization and will have things for you to also change. So how we enable that is this SEO section. So we go here and here you can see the meta tags and so these are the tags generally so your search engines require in terms to make it more uh, effective search results. It helps the search results to understand what your websites are um, and all these different aspects. And so that's part. And what we were doing is all these meta tags you can fill in, or gradually our engine will autofill it. So engine takes a little bit of time to autofill it, and so that's about it. Uh, so it understands the keywords that we are targeting. It takes a little bit of research and then do it. So all of your pages are over here, and so all of the pages will have different keywords, different this thing. So if you are taking SEO services anytime, so you can quickly just report to us whatever the keywords, whatever these things that you want to optimize for, and you will be done. And so what uh, we have done is so all these things are there, but at the same time, what you can do is you might be having a lot of different pages or designs or maybe content that you just want to view and not make the search engines actually uh, work for that. So this is the version, different versions of your website that just you want to test before launching or something like that, and you don't accidentally wants to it to be crawled by the search engine or something like that, right? So if you want to do uh, those kind of stuff, so whenever we design, so what we do is basically so we disable the search engine on this page, right? So what we do is, so let us take, this was something we were testing, so this design something like that, and then what we did is that we no, so this is by default disabled, so anything we are experimenting, so it is by default disabled from the search engine. So search engine um, will not accidentally, if there is any link or anything somewhere like that, so it is not accidentally stopping you from doing it, correct? So we have covered a quite a bit of a length to enable all these now features thought through, so that your website, when we are designing it or when you will be designing in future yourself, so it all will come down to well thought of, and uh, it will only help you, it will not create any loose ends for you. Okay, so given that, then what we are doing exciting new things is one of the things very so played currently is this JSON-LD tags. So currently what we are doing is that we are establishing the entire dictionary of JSON-LDs, and so those JSON-LDs, how it will help is you would have seen in Google that no, below the search results, so there are like in e-commerce there are suggestions to buy those as properties. So let us take, so this is a property site, this is a property investment site. So if they have multiple locations or they have multiple services, so all of their services will be auto tagged in a format that Google understands or any other search engines understands. So what they do is that in the search result itself, so they just put it on the top as a box or something like that. So the customers, so it is easy for the customers to choose, even if they are not necessarily going inside your website, right? So it comes on the top, right? So Google suggestions and all these things. So what we are doing is that we are now taking it to the next step. So it will take a little bit of time, but within next 15 days, once our tests are completed, so your sites would be the ones that you can actually, with the help of our new SEO Pro tools, so you will be able to no, add these JSON-LDs and help your website grow much faster. Okay, so I will create another two videos explaining what we are doing, how we are actually doing few things to also help more in the SEO. So stay tuned.